Hey, welcome to Punky's World. I give to you my new microwave. Okay, now I have to find out how to... Okay, how do I... Gotta set. Okay, operation, here we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's got memory functions. That's kind of cool. Then we go into Spanish. You want to set the clock. Oh, guys, let's see. Installation, sit it on the counter. Okay. Has a child safety lock. That ought to be fun. All right, I think I know how to do this. All right. Where's the clock button? Clock. Clock. There we go. And let me show you the inside. It's dark in there. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. First thing I have to do is just peel back that little bit. Oh, did I have a good bloody nose today? Like, would not stop as I was going into the store. And while I was walking around the store, I'm like holding a tissue to my nose. So I believe it's 4 minutes and then take that out. Yeah, 4.5 and take that out. Okay. Time cook. 4, 3, 0. Power. Start. Wow. I can't believe how fast that turns. My old one did not turn that fast. Okay. I will cook the fish tomorrow. Well, tomorrow for me. Today for you, because I'm doing this. That's the thing about child lock. I'm gonna get back to editing. The other stuff. We didn't have our meeting. We're gonna have it Wednesday, because apparently I got an email that I didn't get. So. Stuff happens. Oh, I put on the Clinique lipstick. Love it. It's so nourishing. And it should be. I mean, it's Clinique. They specialize in skincare, so it should be nourishing. And it's very nourishing. I like it. And it's called Plum Pop. Oh my goodness, it makes my teeth look so yellow. Anyway. Looks good. Yeah, my nostril is just bleeding. Which is not great. It's charged. Okay. Yep. It's charged. Let me just show you this thing, okay? It goes down, then it goes to that, then watch this. Hold it in, and it's red. Oh! And then the red blinks. So this is actually good for emergencies. You know, when I'm going on long trips, actually, it's got a hanger. I should take this with me, make sure it's fully charged, and take this with me when I go camping with my cousin. It's got a hanger, hang it in the tent, and believe me you, it's bright. Hang that in the tent. I mean, hello. And it's got the red light in case there's an emergency on the side of the road at night or anything like that. You know, it's a hazard light. Because it's magnetic, you turn on that blinking hazard light, magnetize it to your trunk, and, you know, so when I go to New York, go to Maine, anything like that, I should take this with me. It's just called the work light, but it definitely has a lot more to it than I realized. And I love it. Okay, I'm going to take the brownie out. I'm going to put that in the rest of the time, and I will see you later to tell you all about my, although tomorrow, oh no, tomorrow's the 11th. Tomorrow we just have a normal day. The 12th I have my ancestry class and the meeting, so we'll have to deal with that as it comes. I can't wait to tell you about that ancestry class, but when that's over I have my meeting, so I will have to I'll have to plan some videos tomorrow to go up on Wednesday. Except for the kid missing video, which I'll do Wednesday when I get up before I do any of my 2 meetings. So I really like it. It's a soft color. Why are my teeth so gross? Ugh. Anyway, at least they look that way to me. I need a cleaning. I've brushed them twice today already. Anyway, and they don't look bad when I smile like that. Anyway, love the lipstick. Like I said, it's so nourishing and moisturizing. It's not really a matte. Kind of a satin finish. But like I said, it's nourishing, it's soft. So that's, as Christy would say over Georgia Sunshine, chef's kiss, perfect. Bye guys, and I will let you know in my empties next month what I thought of the Olaplex, what I thought of anything else that I finish. So, bye guys.